But after last night's event, and doing a preliminary accounting, all funds are not yet in, but we can make a symbolic presentation this morning, and I'm going to ask Mr. Benico to come over for the photo opportunity of the symbolic presentation that, based on our initial accounting, not only did we make $1 million, but we beat that target, and as it stands up today, and remember this is not even a full 24 hours later yet, we are making an initial presentation of $1.4 million to the science department, in particular to the chemistry and the biology department. So we're going to make the handover to Mr. Benico in this envelope here, and I'm going to ask the members of the class of 82 to come a little closer so that we can all get in the photograph. Yeah, somebody come over. And someone this side. You want to tell what So, Mr. Benico, gentlemen, Mr. Benico, on behalf of the class of 1982, we would like to present to you the initial report of our accounting to date, and we promise that the figure will be better and report further on it for you to tell the school, but at least today we wanted to make the symbolic handover of $1.4 million.